Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But Shipai % ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kala ajengker shah ni ka sarkar India bari ki Shipai kari kble khun daga thma persha ikile no ki bari tingen hau pur usam jengkari Pakistan. Hagaji karam ikilar pathai khubor uba Emmanuel Badwar ul ong bakani ka dei ka kinti ka biang tam banyak telilang kumkinong shonshnong hakari India barok koi nang banyak khun persha ikiri utrang snam.
See, what do I think about this? We need to be heart and soul with our forces, okay? We need to be heart and soul with our defense forces. We need to be heart and soul with the country. We are, after all, Indians. And Project Sindoor, as the name signifies, it is only being aptly named after the massacre of especially young couples, isn't it? Newly married husbands and so on and so forth. We've lost a lot. And I think the whole nation has to be together with the government, with the nation, and with the public at large. And we, as a country, we're about to become the third largest economy in the world. We're not small anymore, yeah? Where's Pakistan? Pakistan is nowhere to be. So why can't we stand together? And we have to fight. We have to fight. We have to show the world that we are also standing our ground. And we should not be bullied. We should not be bullied. We should this proxy war that is being fought by Pakistan, especially in Indian soil, it should not be tolerated by any means, by any government, and by any, so to say, Indian. And we are all Indians at this, and we should stand as one. I don't see that geopolitics will change much, okay, except for the fact that even Bangladesh, to me, it's becoming rogue by the day. So if you have a rogue country which does not have a proper mechanism of governance, they will make all sorts of loose statements. And we've heard the kind of statements being made by some of the key personalities of Bangladesh, right? And it's not something which has to be taken lightly, because they also are being funded. Probably there's an agenda behind them that they want to improve their economic status, for which they're taking help from China. And we as a state stand firm that we should not allow such anti-national activities to happen. And no matter what kind of statements that they make, we should not take it lightly. And Meghalaya has to strengthen its borders, definitely. I think the BSF is taking care of that. And I think the army is also very well versed and very well aware. And I think there's a talk also that there should be border fencing which has to gain speed in terms of fencing. And I believe that we need to start looking at it from that perspective, because we don't really have a neighbor who's stable. It's a very volatile neighbor that we have, I'm telling you, from an administration point of view. So it's kind of dangerous, right? So we need to take care of that, because it's a national security point of view, and it's very critical. And I believe that the conversation at the national level will definitely do. It's not just about our borders, but every other border that exists in the country. Yeah. Job, I think standing with her, I'd like to point this out, at least from the MPCC point of view. We're saying that we stand together with the country. We're saying that we are as one, we will fight as one. A protest that has been organized by an organization to close down shops, it's like a Bharat Bandh kind of a thing, just to show solidarity, is to us not something which is meaningful. Yeah, because how would it help, you tell me? It doesn't help anybody. So closing down shops and reducing the economic activity for one day, there's a lot of people that are still dependent, are still below poverty line in the state. Yeah, we're one of the poorest states in the country. And these kind of things should not be tolerated, whether it's from, we should not endorse it, right? So So as a party, I don't believe that we should endorse anybody, forget about just one, but anybody who does these kind of things, because we don't believe that economic activity is something that we should stop just because of a protest. We stand in solidarity with what we've lost and with the people we've lost, especially our brothers. But it does not mean that everything that we do should be volatile in nature. It should be at least. It should be with humility, right?
But it was not a forceful closure, it was a voluntary.
Exactly, it was a voluntary thing, so whoever wants to do it. But then at some point of time, there was a diktat being given. So she was just protesting the diktat. Yeah?